know that there had been 10 typhoons that entered the Philippines in the past half year and 4 of them were recorded in July alone? And did you ever wonder how PAG-ASA, or the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, gauges the Philippine storm warning signals? Here are the answers. PAG-ASA released tropical cyclone warnings in the form of Tropical Cyclone Warning Signals, or TCWS. Tropical Cyclone Warning Signal number 1. Tropical cyclone winds of 30 kilometers per hour or 19 miles per hour to 60 kilometers per hour or 37 miles per hour are expected with intermittent rain showers within the next 36 hours. This will usually affect the locality, and if it forms very close to the area, a shorter lead time is seen on the warning bulletin. The waves on coastal waters may gradually develop and become bigger and higher. Twigs and branches of small trees may be broken. Some houses of very light materials, like nipa and kogon, may be partially unroofed. Rice crops, however, may suffer significant damage when it is in its flowering stage. Classes and offices can still be operational except for flooded areas. However, classes for preschool are cancelled. Disaster preparedness is raised to alert status. Tropical cyclone warning signal number 2. Winds of greater than 60 kilometers and up to 100 kilometers per hour may be expected in at least 24 hours. Few big trees may be uprooted. Some old galvanized iron roofings may be peeled off. This will affect the locality and may bring light to moderate damage to the exposed communities. The sea and coastal waters are dangerous to small boats. The general public, especially people traveling by sea and air, are warned to avoid unnecessary accidents. Outdoor activities or classes for elementary and high school students and below are cancelled. Tropical cyclone warning signal number 3. Winds greater than 100 kilometers per hour up to 185 kilometers per hour may be expected in at least 18 hours. Many coconut trees may be broken or destroyed. Majority of all nipa and kogon houses may be unroofed or destroyed, and there may be significant damage to structures of light to medium construction. There may be a widespread disruption of electrical power and communication services, including internet connections. Moderate to heavy damage may be expected, particularly in the agricultural and industrial sectors. The sea and coastal waters will be very dangerous to all types of sea crafts. Travel by sea and air are usually cancelled. Classes in all levels are suspended, and everyone is advised to stay indoors. Tropical cyclone warning signal number 4. A very intense typhoon will affect the locality with very strong winds of more than 185 kilometers per hour in at least 12 hours. Coconut plantations may suffer severe damage. Many large trees may be uprooted. Most residential and institutional buildings of mixed construction may also be intensely damaged. Electrical power distribution and communication services, including internet connections, may be severely disrupted. Offices and classes for colleges, universities, and below are cancelled. Tropical cyclone warning signal number 5. Winds greater than 220 kilometers per hour or 140 miles per hour are expected within 6 hours. Destruction to roads, moderate to strong structures, big trees, rice and crop plantations are massively expected. Flooded areas are also widespread. Disaster coordinating councils concerned and other disaster response organizations are fully responding to emergencies and possible state of calamity. Here is PAG-ASA's tropical cyclone intensity scale for super typhoon, typhoon, severe tropical storm, and tropical depression. So far, here is a list of the most destructive typhoons that hit the Philippines over the years. Number 1. Typhoon Yolanda or Haiyan in 2013. Number 2. Typhoon Bofa or Pablo in 2012. Number 3. Typhoon Ramasun or Glenda in 2014. Number 4. Typhoon Parma or Pepeng in 2009. Number 5. Typhoon Nesat or Pedring in 2011. Number 6. Typhoon Fengshen or Frank in 2008. Number 7. Typhoon Megi or Juan in 2010, and number 8, Typhoon Ketsana or Ondoy in 2009, number 9, Typhoon Mike or Ruping in 1990, And lastly, number 10, Typhoon Angela or Rosing in 1995. And due with the recent storms that had entered our country, we would like to extend our utmost thanks to the disaster coordinating councils and disaster management organizations all over the country for risking their lives for an immediate response. Mabuhay po kayo! We ask so you may know. We feature so you may appreciate. We inform so you may decide. We balance so you may judge. I'm Joy Ziranara, and this is CBRC News Live FYI. Good evening. CBRC Maranding, located at with these contact numbers. CBRC Ozamis, located at with these contact numbers.
CBRC Iligan, located at with these contact numbers.